Hello, in this tutorial we are going to learn how to create models in Django. The Django models is used for creating the table in database. So we are going to learn how to create the table. So we have to create the class first, then our model name. Let's say my model name is student. Then you can pass inside the parenthesis models dot model, and then after that, then you have to pass some uh, let's say student name, let's say equal to then models dot, you can pass the which field you want to use. So suppose I'm going to use the character field, so I can use the char field, and char field contains the max length. That means that how many character that should contain. Let's say my character will contain 100, and you can pass that it should be a blank or not. You can pass blank equal to false, and pass a null equal to false. Okay, then I have to pass h models dot, and h should be the integer field because that should contain the integer number only, integer field. And in integer field, let's say blank equal to true. That means you can keep a blank field, and null equal to true. And let's say name age, yes. Then I can pass the grade as well as which grade is studying. What else dot, you can say, and age should, grade should be which grade. Let's see, just field as well as blank equal to true, and let's say null equal to true. Alright. Now I can say I created a model here. Now it's going to save it, and after creating a model, then I have to register in the admin.py file because I have to insert the table into the databases. So first of all, I have to input the models file where it's located. It's a dot models. Dot models means in this directory, this the same admin.py file and same dot models.py file is located. So that's why I'm using the dot. Dot means the current directory in Django. Dot models import, say uh, my model name is, if you want to select the all the models, then you can use the asterisk. If you want to specific give the some specific name, if you want to some mention the specific model, then input student, and inside the admin, then you can say input admin inside the student. Now, another thing is we have to register, to register that model inside the admin. So the point is admin dot site dot register, inside the parenthesis. You can pass the student model and save it. After saving it, then we have to migrate this student table. So you have to make migrations. The command is make migration. Python 3 file make migrations. Make migration, and saying that create model student, that will be I created before a product and category in product. So that is why it's saying that delete remove. You can see that migration here. Okay? So today student table here, that is, and that contains the ID which is the by default as a primary key. Okay, and that is name, age, and grade. And these all are our columns in table. Okay, so next thing is we have to migrate those table, to insert those table in our databases. Right now we are using the SQL 3. we have to insert those tables inside our circularity databases. So we have to migrate and showing that yes, applying my of this table, this ID table is okay. Okay means that is perfectly run. Now we can do python manage.py file run server. Okay. So the command is again let's see. Go to the local 8000 port. Okay, it's saying the same thing. Then we have to go to the admin. Inside the admin, before going to admin, we have to create the super user status. Super user. So the command is python manage create create super user. Username let's say admin, and it's saying that the username is already taken. Okay, so to create another one because I did not remember that old username. So let's say create an admin one, and email ID that is blank, little blank, and password let's say admin one, and another confirm password is also same admin one. It's saying that create bypass password validation, yes, bypass. Yes, it's saying that super created successfully. Now we're going to run the again and go to the browser and maybe return the admin one, password admin one, login. Yes, it's saying that successfully. Okay, it's saying something wrong. Admin. Oh, sorry, I have commented it out. Save it. Now it should be saw this table. Yes, student table is you can see, and you can add the student here. Let's say student name is uh Jamie, and age is let's say 10 years old, and let's say the grade is 5, and let's just save it. You can see the student, and you can also update it here and also delete the data is here. So this is the use of model. So in the next session we will learn about the more deeply about how the model work and what is the more fields like foreign keys, one to one field, many to many field, how to link the foreign keys and all those things. Okay.